In order to be one of the winners for this giveaway, I only need you to do 3 simple things. Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and happy holidays to everyone watching. With it being the Christmas holiday and all, I thought it would be a great idea to give back to you guys. I want to say thank you so much for helping this channel reach over 100,000 subscribers, so I wanted to give you something in return. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick 3 people for a giveaway. And all you need to do is follow these 3 simple instructions. Let me say it again. Follow these 3 simple instructions. Number 1, you must be subscribed to this channel. So if you're watching and you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed. Number 2, go follow the Barber Style Directory on Instagram. That's at Barber Style Directory. It'll be somewhere below here. I've even made it easy for you. I put the links down to our social media below. And finally, number 3, comment below what type of videos you would like to see from this channel in the future. So a quick recap, the only way that you will be entered into this giveaway is if you do these 3 following steps. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed. Number 2, go follow the Barber Style Directory on Instagram. And number 3, comment below what type of videos you would like to see from this channel in the future. So as a disclaimer, when you're watching this, this will be the Thursday before Christmas. I will ship the packages off to the winners after Christmas. That's right after Christmas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll through the comments on this next video and I'm going to choose 3 lucky subscribers. And whoever I choose, make sure that you have a valid email address. That way I can contact you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I said, this is just a video to give back to you guys. And I want to say thank you. So happy holidays, and on the next video, I'll announce the winners. Thanks for watching.